Oh my gosh, this is bad. Give up. You were outside for 5 minutes and look at his jacket. Oh my god. I almost fell. I just want to get those shots. Dude, that's crazy.
It's like, stay in, kid, stay in. Don't.
Yeah. You're not allowed here.
This morning, we're getting all of our stuff. We moved out of our Airbnb and we're gonna spend the last half of the trip here. And right now we're just getting everything unpacked to head inside and chilling, getting some work done, hanging out. It's starting to get dark right now, but we're gonna head out, see if we can get some super moody shots. There's still a ton of rain, but see what we can get. We're gonna be shooting on. It's super cold. We just kind of walked around, found this dock, and how you guys feeling?
Ooh, it's bright. What's that? What was that? What was that?
Okay. In that case, little JR Alli behind the scenes.
Wait, did try to use the focus ring for like
Super rainy. I think we got a couple shots from that.
in the corner.
Every time Jared's walked up here so far, he hits his head on the corner. I'm gonna start filming you every time you go up the stairs now.
Don't even tell me.
I won't.
What looking at the shoehorn?
The 1D is absolutely soaked. You're gonna get your bag today. Hit the ceiling.
I'm so happy, yes.
What is it, on day 4?
Yeah,
on day 4 you get the bag? That's gotta be so relieving.
Yeah.
My goodness.
I also just didn't want to buy new clothes again.
So just chilling out. I'm getting one of the Da Vinci grades done for some of the drone footage the other day. Pretty crazy. At the same time, looking for some music for the vlogs.
It works. I'm happy. I can shoot now. Should have shown them like the before and after.
Guys,
much better.
Welcome to Lishen's camera tips.
Use knives.